for Xavi Prieto, cut out easily by Fontas.
He went with the extra midfield player, didn't he? We thought Sociedad was going to play in the supporting centre-forward role, but Bagara coming alongside Aaron Baru and Rilas.
Xavi. Space here for Afellay. Thiago for Alves. Milito. Fontas. Messi. Xavi. Hard to see, Terry, beyond a Barcelona-Manchester United final at Wembley.
It is, and at this stage of the season, with Manchester United leading the Premiership, Barcelona looking as if they're going to wrap up the La Liga title really soon. I think it quite fitting for the Champions League, the two champions from those respective leagues going head-to-head at Wembley. There's still work to do in both matches, but they are both the favourite.
Looking to afford Messi the advantage, and that was quite right for the referee to show everything he needs to do. It's just the delay on the whistle once the play had stopped. This is Xavi. Alves.